Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my first video. So, I'm going to show you a really cool thing. It's a tutorial. If you're a web developer or you're just trying to get into it and stuff, this is really going to save you a lot of time. It's using PHP. So, basically, I'll show you an example. So, say you're a site like Twitter. No, say you're a site like Techno Buffalo. Okay, so see how they have the top bar up here, right? And they also have like the footer down here. Well, I guess they don't. But since they have this top bar, if they want to update it, and they have so many different pages, if they want to update it on one, they're going to have to update it on all 100 pages if they didn't do this. But this is what you learn when you get more advanced in it, and I would always expect that it would be really complicated. All you need is one line of code, and you can have this bar, or whatever you want, across the top of any page, or whatever you want. So basically, I'll show you exactly how to do this. Now, just so you know, to run in PHP, you have to install it, and you have to either run it on your own website if it's getting hosted, or you have to install it onto your computer and use your computer as a server because it's a server-side language. So anyways, there's many tutorials on how to do that. So I'm just going to show you right from the beginning. So I'm going to create a file. I'm not going to make the website too fancy or anything like that. Make sure it's index.php. Index is just standard for. Now we're also going to create a folder called inc. I just like to call it inc for include. So now in this we are going to create another thing called header.php, and this is what's known as an include file. And okay, so now let's check the site. It's going to be blank, right? Yep, there it is. Okay, so anyways, now we're going to open up index.php. We'll just do some basic HTML. Hopefully you know that. If you're not, HTML is very easy to learn. And I'm not going to include CSS in this because it's not really needed for the tutorial. So let's do HTML. We need our head. Trust me, you guys are going to find this amazing. Like, I used to have a blog, and I would have categories and a homepage and the blog page, so every single time I wanted to make a new post, I would have to update every single page with the same code. It would take like 20 minutes every post. And now with this, you literally update one thing, it changes it on every page in like the flash of an eye. Okay, so anyways, here's the header. Let's just make it title. PHP include tutorial. Okay, so what should we put in the body? Okay, let's put just like a UL or an unordered list. Then we'll put in like 3 list items. You can't even imagine how happy I was when I figured this out. I just got a new Mac yesterday, so pretty happy. That's what I'm recording this on. So, what should we make them? Like, home, contact, home contact about, who knows. Okay, so let's put in a h1, let's make it PHP include tutorial. Okay. Now let's just put some random stuff down here. This is the stuff we're not going to put in the include file because it's pretty basic. Okay, so let's just add it all in. Okay, so now from here up, this is where we're going to have the menu. Now obviously in CSS it's going to look a lot better. I'll just show you what it looks like now. There it is. So in CSS this would be the menu, or on our website this would be the menu, just CSS would make it look a lot better. But we're just going to keep like this for now for the tutorial to not drag on with everything and keep focus on the reason why I'm showing this. So next we're going to go back and we're going to go into the include folder, go into the header.php, edit. Now we're going to take, so from here up is where we had our whole entire header, or like the top of the page, the menu. So what we're going to do is copy this. We're also going to delete this. See it, deleting it, we don't need that there. So now we have this here. So we're going to save this, go back over to here. Now instead, we're going to write PHP include PHP is a more complex language than the other ones, but like HTML and CSS, but you'll get the hang of it if you, I don't know, I'm going to make lots of tutorials because I'm pretty good at it. Okay, so now we're going to put in our path that we had before. So this would be path. So what we're going to do is change it to inc slash, what was it called? Header. Save changes. Now, hopefully I haven't done anything wrong yet. And when I refresh the page, it should be the exact same. Yep. So that's the magic of it. So I just replaced that whole entire thing with this one line of code. And now if I update this with anything, say I want to add another list item, and what should I make this? Categories. I don't know, just something random. Now I changed that not in the index folder, in the header folder, and now I'm gonna refresh, and there it is. It just updates automatically. That's the magic of it. It changes it for every single page. So say I have another page here. I'm gonna make my about page. I'll do this quickly. New file, about.php. So I'm gonna edit this. I'm just using HostGator's editing system. I do use them. They have just really good customer support, that's why. Oh wait, did I open up index? Oh, my bad. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so now here is, let's change up the about page a bit. let's just give it like the I don't know why to leave that. This is really the exact same. Let's give it a UL or something. Might as well. Just make it stand out from the other page. I've been doing web design for a while. I'm only 15, but I want to start early. So let's make our list. Here's something. Okay, let's save that. So now I'm gonna do something. See how now refresh PHP. This one's completely normal. Now let's go to about.php. And there's about.php. See how we have the menu up here? So I want the menu to link to the other pages. So I'm going to go into the header.php folder. Okay, and I'm going to add in a link. href what am I doing? Equals. I'm not used to the Mac keyboard. Not complaining though, Mac. It's way better than the old computer I had. The old computer I couldn't even record videos because it was so bad. So I'm really happy I got this. So let's put home as index.php. Let's see on that. Now, also, we're going to change about. href. Okay, and this is going to be about.php. Okay, so now I didn't have to change both files to update it. All I had to do was change the one header file, and that updated the whole entire thing. Okay, so now let's change it, and look, there it is. And if I go to home, it's updated on home too. It's like magic. It saves you so much time. I would have had to change that on both files if I was going to, and if I had 100 posts, I would have had to change it on 100 files if I didn't have that. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you need any help, just comment down in the comment system. I'm sure there won't be many comments down there. I'm just starting up. I don't have any subscribers or anything. So yeah, I really hope this helped, and I know it would have helped me. I wish I found out about it sooner. So thanks for watching, and subscribe and like if you like my video. Okay.